Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the inbox review of the Harrier GR Mk.7 Royal Air Force from Hasegawa in 1/48 scale. So come with me and let's see what is inside the box. So, opening the box, we are greeted with the decals, the instruction booklet, the clear parts, and one of my pet hates. One bag with all the screws. I truly hate this, but I think companies are trying to save money. And the polar bears with the let's plastic inside the box. So, not opening. Give me a second. There we go. It's open. And it's out of the way. So in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sprues. And as you can see, as a result of all being inside the same bag, we have already loose parts. And one of them has gone to the floor already. Before I forget it. So, here we go. So 3 loose parts and many sprues after. We have the Harrier outside. So starting with the wing, looks good. The details are very fine and very good. So I'm fairly impressed with it. The plastic is not too thick, which doesn't look chunky as well for the scale. Fuselage, same thing. You can see subtle details. The lines are not too deep, so they look good. Same thing on the ear, on the bottom. Little details. As they say, devil is on the details. And again, the cockpit thingy. This is the air intakes, I believe. I might be wrong. If I'm talking rubbish, please do let me know. The other side, then you have the fan, the cockpit tub. The cockpit tub is not that great. We might need to work the magic to improve it a little bit better. Details seem fairly good and reasonable, which I like it. Tail side looks good, the top looks good. Weapon pylons, and again, see what I was saying. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we have the scratch there. And again, this reinforced my thing that all-in-one bag is not good enough. So we have the instrument panel. Then we have these parts, which I don't know what they are. Oh, they are the underneath of the wings, sorry. And they seem very good as well. Plastic, again, on the thin side, not very chunky for the scale, which for me ticks the boxes. Then we have all the little parts, landing gear, wheels, and again, scratches all over the, I don't think you guys can see, there's scratches all over the place on this central fuel tank. Again, all in one bag, that's what happens. The jet exhaust, and then the other part of the wheels as well. So, all very well detailed. The seat, or the parts for the seat, for the pilot seat, and there's not flash, there's not much going on here, which is pretty good. Again, another pylon, part of the tail, and the remaining pylons for the weapons. The nose of the airplane, And there you go. The plastic looks good, to say the least. I fairly enjoy the level of detail that they have, and they look really good. So let me just put these away. Let's bring the clear parts. So I hope the clear parts are not scratched, but they come on their own bag, so they should be fine. Let's move this away for that side. The clear part should be good. There's a seam line on here, as you guys can see, which we'll need to sand and polish, and the same thing on this side. So you have same thing on this side. So there's a bit of work on there for us to do. The rest of the clear parts, they look good. There's not much stuff going on, so it looks decent. Just a little bit of sanding and polishing on that seam line, but apart from that, we should be absolutely brilliant. Should be good. So instructions wise, Hasegawa style, folded paper, and all drawings. There's a lot going on, there's a lot to be done, and this gets completed in 11 steps apparently. No, 12 steps apparently. So it's not good. So there you go. It's not overcomplicated. Should be easy to follow, should be easy to build. But yeah, you have all these instructions all the way through. It's a lovely kit, detailed, very well detailed. Not much if any flash at all, at least as far as I can see at the moment. Even on the fuselage and small bits, there's nothing much. Even on these bits here that we could have some flash on there, I can see nothing. So yeah, all in all, it's a good kit, looks good, and hopefully we will be building it soon on the channel. So guys, if you like it, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you don't, please let me know why, so I can continue to improve on my quest. So I'll see you guys around. Have a good day and see ya.